Welcome. This is explanation for practical 3, which is practical properties of different lipids and fatty acids. For introduction, lipids and fatty acids are important for storing energy, building cell membranes, helping in cell signal. Their properties depend on length of the change, if they are saturated or unsaturated, the group in their structure. Saturated fats is no double bond and solid at the room temperature. For unsaturated fats have a double bonds and liquid at room temperature. We can also test their solubility, how they dissolve. Reaction with a bromine show how many double bonds. And this experiment helps students learn how lipids act in different ways based on their structure. Objective: to investigate the physical properties of different lipids and fatty acids. Second, to identify and classify lipids based on their solubility in polar and non-polar solvent. Third, to recognize lipid containing products commonly found in daily life. 4. To understand the structural and functional diversity of lipid through observation of their physical behavior. The last one is to compare the solubility behavior of lipids in water versus solvents. For the material, first, microcentrifuge. Number 2 is tube spatula. Number 3, dropper bottles. Number 4 is distilled water. 5, toluene. And the last one is 3 selected lipid-based food mask. Method. Number 1 is prepare 2 sets of 3 separate microcentrifuge tubes and add 5 drops or a small amount of solid, 3 or 4 granules of all the lipid-containing product that you have brought. Number 2 is describe their appearance in the table below. Number 3, describe their smell in the table below. Number 4, set 1, solubility in a polar solvent at about 1.0 ml of water to each centrifuge tube. Cap the tube and shake to mix. Record your observations in the table below. Number 5, the last one is set 2, solubility in a non-polar solvent at 0.5 ml toluene C7H8 to each sample. Cap the tubes and shake to mix. Record your observation in the table below. result for practical 3. This experiment shows how fat lipids behave in different liquids like water and toluene. Ghee and olive oil did not mix with water but mix well with toluene, proving they are non-polar lipids. This type of fats are important in our bodies for things like building cell membranes, storing energy, and sending signals. Meanwhile, the conditioner was partly able to mix with both water and toluene. This means it has both polar and non-polar parts, which show that it contains emulsifier ingredients that helps oil and water blend. Overall, the test help us understand how solubility can be used to identify fats, learn about their structure, and know how they are used in daily life and various industries. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.